All right, let's talk about something that trips up pretty much everyone in business, whether you're just starting out or you've been at it for years, and that is the difference between a cost and an expense. It seems small, but getting this right is a total game changer. So let's jump right in with a question. You go out and spend $1,000 on a brand new laptop for your business. What is that? Is it a cost? Is it an expense? By the time we're done here, you are going to know the answer to this, no problem. You know, in normal, everyday conversation, we use these words cost and expense like they're the same thing. Hey, what was the cost of dinner? Or that vacation was a huge expense. But in the world of finance and accounting, nope, they are not the same thing. And mixing them up can actually lead to some really bad business decisions.
So to really get this, we've got to start at the beginning. We have to build our foundation. And that foundation is the idea of cost. See, before something can ever become an expense, it almost always starts its life as a cost.
So what exactly is a cost? Well, think of it as the money you spend to buy something that's going to help you make money down the road. The most important part of that sentence is that little phrase, future economic benefit. A cost is basically value that you now own, but you haven't, used up yet.
Let's make this super simple with an analogy. Imagine you pull into a gas station and fill up your tank. That's $60 you just spent? That's a cost. You've just bought an asset, the gasoline, and now it's just sitting there in your tank, holding all this potential value for future trips. You haven't gone anywhere yet, but you can. That's stored potential. That is a cost.
Okay, so if a cost is the value you have stored up, what happens when you actually use that value? Well, that's where our second term comes in, expense. If cost is the potential, you can think of expense as the action.
Right, so an expense is what happens when you burn through a cost in order to make money. It's the part of that asset's value that is now gone because you used it to run your business. That future benefit we talked about, it's not in the future anymore. It just happened.
Let's go back to our car with the full tank of gas. Now, you take that car and you make a delivery, and you earn, say, $20 for it. Along the way, you burn through maybe $5 worth of that fuel. That $5, that's your expense. You have officially converted a piece of your asset, the gas, into an expense to generate revenue. See how that works?
All right, we've defined them both. Now let's do the fun part. Let's put them side by side in a head-to-head showdown. This is where it's all going to click into place.
This table really lays it all out. A cost is all about getting an asset for the future. An expense is about using up that asset right now. And that difference is huge because it changes where they show up on your financial statements. Costs, since they're assets you own, live on your balance sheet. But expenses? They hit your bottom line right now, so they go directly on the income statement.
Here's the whole journey in one example. Imagine a cafe buys a shiny new coffee machine for $1,500. That purchase is a cost. It's an asset. They don't just say they lost $1,500. No. Instead, as they use that machine over, let's say, 5 years, they'll turn a piece of that cost, maybe $300 worth, into an expense for this year. That process is called depreciation, and it's the perfect example of how a cost slowly becomes an expense over time.
Okay, so we've waded through the definitions and the examples, but let's get to the real payoff. Why on earth does this technical little difference actually matter in the real world? What's the so what?
Yeah, seriously. Why should you, as a business owner or a freelancer, or maybe just someone who's curious, why should you actually care about this? Well, the answer hits your wallet and your business strategy, big time.
Here's the deal. If you treat a big cost, like that $1,000 laptop, as an immediate expense, you're making your profit for the year look way lower than it actually is. That's not accurate. Then there are taxes. You can only deduct the expense part for the year, not the whole purchase price all at once. And maybe most importantly, when you really understand your true expenses, you can price your services and products way more intelligently. It's just smart business.
I love this quote. It really nails it. A cost is like saving. It's an investment in your future. An expense is what you're spending to get through today. They're two sides of the same coin, but they are definitely not the same thing.
So let's go all the way back to that $1,000 laptop. Is it a cost or an expense? Well, now you know. It's a cost. You've bought an asset that will provide future benefits. The expense is just the little bit of its value that you use up each year. And knowing that changes how you think, doesn't it? So the next time you make a big purchase, ask yourself, am I buying a future benefit, or am I paying the price of doing business today? The answer tells you a whole lot more than just what's on the price tag.